have time to water. Maybe tomorrow or this weekend, but it always turns into next week. Sound familiar? But I bet you want a green, thick, and healthy lawn, right? And if you're watching this, you probably don't want to spend $3,000 to $5,000 on an in-ground sprinkler system. For the last 30 years, it's one of the most common issues we hear about, especially since we ask you to water a minimum of once a week in each area for at least 1 hour. I'm going to show you how to make it super simple in this quick tip. Here's what you're going to need. Your hose, any sprinkler head, and this simple gadget, a hose end timer valve. Comes in a simple manual like this one or a digital programmable one. Installation is a breeze and it takes just 3 easy steps. So I know some people call this a hose bib, a spigot, a silcock, or simply a faucet. We want to disconnect that and we're going to insert this timer simply on top of that first. It's really simple. Tighten her up. Reattach the hose and make sure you turn the valve all the way on. So you can see, I'm not getting wet because this keeps it off. Just attaching my nice circular sprinkler head. And then we're going to go lay this out on the lawn. So when I'm ready to water, all I simply have to do is set this to 60 minutes for regular days, or when it's during a heat wave, I'll put it on a little bit longer. That way, if I'm going to work in the morning or when I just get home and I think I'm going to forget to turn it off, it's that easy. Now, just move the sprinkler around to a new area on your lawn each time. Super simple as promised and allows you to do your part. Water deeply at least once a week for 1 hour. Deep roots are nurtured from deep watering, and that will make a big difference in growing a healthy lawn that can take the heat. You can read more on our Healthy Lawn website at LawnSavers.com/blog and watch how to make mowing simple and easy too. And if you need a professional lawn care partner that can help you get your lawn to the next level, give us a call or send us an email. I'm Kyle Tobin, Chief Environmental Officer at LawnSavers Plant Healthcare.